We have for sale here an absolutely stunning top of the range Range Rover 4.4 SDV8 Autobiography Dynamique. It's in stunning condition. Full Land Rover service history. Just going to have a Land Rover service. The private plate doesn't come with it. I'll show you what that is in a minute. It's 2019-19. 2 owners from new. Frenzy red, black gloss alloys with the black pack. Front park distance control and full camera. Panoramic sunroof. Side steps. Practically brand new Pirelli Scorpion tyres all the way round. Reverse parking camera and reverse parking sensors. It's got 360 camera as well. This is in stunning condition. Rear privacy, dynamic, larger rear spoiler. Electric tailgate. Boot area is in stunning condition. This does have a deployable tow bar. Very rare on these. Factory fitted deployable tow bar there. It's into place. It's got rear tailgate lowering as well on the suspension. Let's put that back now. You can also do that from inside the car. Full leather interior with the Great British flag embossed. Registration number will go on is OE19 ZDO. Tilt side panoramic roof, rear climate control, Meridian sound system, electric memory seats, electric windows, electric mirrors. Paddle shift on the gearbox. It's done 44,761 miles. It's got the fridge, the multimedia, all-terrain response, tilt slide panoramic roof, cruise control, active cruise control, heated steering wheel, climate control, cooled seats and heated seats. Full media pack. Satellite navigation. Full menu. Paddle shift on the gearbox, electric steering wheel, just has absolutely everything. At DJH, we've got full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.